Hello dear students, welcome back to SSC board exam practice series. This video is specially made for 10th standard students for the subject English. We are doing section writing skill and the topic is information transfer. Already I have made 2 videos and uploaded on my channel on this topic. Now we are going to do the last video and going to see some more examples which are repeated in the exams. So let's begin. But before that, students, I would like that you should subscribe my channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and my hard book. Okay, let's begin. Read the given information and fill in the table provided. Acclaimed in Indian classics as the Kalpvriksha, the all-giving tree, the coconut palm grows in several states in India. The coconut palm is a member of the plant family Ericaceae, popularly known as palm family. It flourishes on sandy soil requiring high humidity, abundant sunlight and high rainfall for optimal growth. All parts of the palm are used in some way or other in the daily life of the people. Coconut water provides a refreshing and nutritious drink. The firm kernel that lines the inside is high in calories and the white milk extract from it is used in many different ways. Oil is extracted from dried mature coconuts is used as a cooking oil. The leaves are braided to make thatch roof and mats. The midrib of the leaves are dried and tied together to make brooms. The coconut shell and husk are good source of an efficient fuel. During religious ceremonies, married women are often presented with a coconut along with a few grains of rice as a symbol of fertility and prosperity. So after reading this extract, you have to fill this given table. So let us concentrate on the answer. But firstly, answering should be done after reading the extract at least 2 times. Answer. Kalpvriksha is the title. Name of the tree is the coconut palm. The scientific name is Ericaceae. Place where grown is sandy soil. Climate required for growing is high humidity, abundant sunlight and high rainfall. Now let us see the uses. Liquid is used for drinking. Kernel is used for food. Third is leaf is used as the thatched roof. Fourth, shell is used as an efficient fuel. Fifth, symbolizes fertility and prosperity. In this manner, we have completed the first one. Now let us move to the second one. Read the following information. Mr. Dalwini maintains the following diet for his daily afternoon meal. He has 100 grams of vegetable, 100 grams of lentil, 150 grams of rice and another 100 grams of chapati and salad. Mr. Dalvi purchases his food from a Poli Bhaji Kendra. He pays rupees 20 for vegetable, rupees 20 for lentils and rupees 20 for rice. He has 4 chapatis that cost him rupees 20 and salad that cost him the same amount. Prepare a pie diagram showing this information. Now you have to prepare the diet diagram also and the money diagram also. Answer. Mr. Dalvi's diet for lunch. Now let us divide it. Veg 100 gram, rice 150 gram, chapati and salad 150 gram and lentils 100 gram. Now let us make another pie diagram which shows the money chart. Okay. Veggies for rupees 20, rice for rupees 20, salad for rupees 20, chapatis for rupees 20 and lentils for rupees 20. And the heading given for this pie diagram is expenses for lunch and item for lunch. This was another type of example. Now let us see some other example. Read the following passage and draw a tree diagram to cover the main points. Here you have to draw a tree diagram. Amla has many health benefits. It is a rich source of vitamin C. This helps to improve the immunity of the body and gives physical strength. It acts as a diuretic and laxative. It is used to treat constipation. It can even cure insomnia. It is an important component of Ayurvedic medicines and has been used traditionally for treatment of the scalp. It is very healthy for hair. People use amla as a cooling agent to reduce the effect of sunstrokes and sunburns. After reading this extract, we have to prepare a tree diagram. The tree diagram is shown in your screen. Let us study it in detail. Health benefit of amla. Nutrient: vitamin C improves immunity of the body, gives physical strength. Health benefit: diuretic, laxative, treat constipation, cures insomnia. Ayurvedic medicine, treatment of scalp and for healthy hair. Fourth, cooling agent, reduces the effect of sunstroke and sunburns. Now see, we have seen so many types of information transfer such as tree diagram, pie diagram, complete the table, flow chart and many more. Now let us see some another example, and this is the last one. Read the following passage and complete the table. Dialect is a form of language spoken in one area which may be different from other forms of same languages. Each language has dialects which change every few kilometers. India is a multilingual country. Each state follows its own language as official language. For example, Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra, while Airani, Vardi and Konkani and Malwani are its own dialects. Several languages in India are spoken but do not have any script. In Karnataka, Kannada is the official language. Tulu is spoken in Karnataka but has no script. In England, English is the official language, while Scottish spoken in Scotland and Welsh spoken in Wales are dialects of English. Now let us complete the chart. The chart given to you is like that: state, official language, dialect, spoken with script, Maharashtra, Marathi. Now directly move on to the answer. Maharashtra, Marathi, Airani, Varadi, Konkani and Malwani, but they do not have any script. Okay. Now next, the second one is given in the question is Karnataka. Now let us write the answer for Karnataka. In Karnataka, Kannada, Tulu, and Tulu is having the writing script also. Now the third given in the question is English, and it is used in England. So let us write the answer for England. England, English. Okay, it does not have any dialects and spoken without script. Now see, Scotland is having Scottish and it is not having spoken with script, without script. Okay, and the last one is Scotland's another language is Scottish and Wales another language is Welsh, which also do not spoken without any script. So in this manner we have studied all the different examples of information transfer. Thanks students for watching this video. Please like, share and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. I hope students you are liking my videos. Please share it with your friends and you can note down this in your notebooks. Surely it will be beneficial for your exams. Bye everyone. Stay safe, stay home and study more.